Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass! Today's video, Stop Saying I'm Fine. Learn 15 different ways to answer, How are you? Positive responses, when you're feeling great and want to mix it up.
I'm great. I'm doing really well.
Couldn't be better. Things are as good as they can be.
I'm doing amazing. I feel fantastic.
Never been better. I've never felt this good before. I'm on top of the world. I'm extremely happy.
Neutral responses, when you're just okay and want to sound natural.
I'm alright. I'm okay.
Can't complain. Everything's fine. Nothing to complain about.
So far, so good. Everything's going well for now.
Not too bad. I'm doing all right.
Same old, same old. Nothing new, same as always.
And now, when you're not feeling great, when you're not at your best but still want to answer politely.
I've been better. I'm not feeling my best.
I'm hanging in there. I'm managing, but it's tough.
Not feeling my best today. I'm a little off today.
I'm a bit under the weather. I'm feeling a little sick.
I've had better days. Today isn't my best day.
Now it's your turn. Challenge. Comment which of these responses you use the most. Like and share this video with a friend who needs to stop saying, I'm fine. Bye-bye.